What a wonderful day!
Dump truck.
Dump truck is driving down the road with a load of gravel. Watch out! There's a big rock ahead.
What happened?
The dump truck bumps into it, and the gravel spills all over the road.
Oh my God!
A small truck drives over the gravel and almost slips. Hey! Then a cargo truck drives by. Oh no! It loses control and tips over.
What's next? Help me!
A little car passes by and quickly calls the construction rescue team for help.
Let's go!
Crane truck. Street sweeper.
Transformation!
Here come the crane truck and the road sweeper.
What are you doing? Come here. Okay. Come here.
Crane truck lifts the cargo truck back up with its long arm, nice and steady. Now let's take the cargo truck to the repair shop.
It's a nice slide.
The sweeper cleans all the gravel off the road until it's shiny and safe again.
Cool.
Time to fix the truck.
Okay.
First, remove the broken front window. Then put in a brand new windshield. Fix the dented truck bed.
Hi. Amazing. Hi.
And finally, put on new tires. All done. The cargo truck is as good as new.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.